Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about identities, and we have s minus number 2 to the power of 2. Later that we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus number 2 because we have s. So I will put negative number 2 go to the left, and we have u plus 2 equals to s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so we have the u equals to the s. So this one we change by u, s we change by this one, the s we change by the u. So this one we have 3u plus 6. 6 minus number 1 we have number 5. So this one divide by this one, so we have 3 over u, and we have 5 over u square. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3, number 3 over number 3 ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of 5 over u square, we have negative number 5 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s minus number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.